Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the step-by-step procedure for calculating population death rate. Step 1. Gather the necessary data, including the total number of deaths in a specific time period. Step 2. Determine the population size for the same time period. Step 3. Divide the total number of deaths by the population size. Step 4. Multiply the result by 1,000 to obtain the death rate per 1,000 population. For example, let's say there were 500 deaths in a year in a population of 10,000 people. To calculate the death rate, divide 500 by 10,000, which equals 0.05. Then, multiply 0.05 by 1,000, resulting in a death rate of 50 per 1,000 population. Step 5. Express the death rate as a percentage by multiplying it by 100. In our example, the death rate would be 5%. Knowing the population death rate is essential for understanding the health and well-being of a community. It provides valuable information for policymakers, researchers, and healthcare professionals. By accurately calculating the death rate, we can identify trends, monitor public health interventions, and make informed decisions to improve healthcare. Be sure to follow these steps carefully and double-check your calculations to ensure accuracy. Remember, population death rate is just one metric used to assess public health, but it is a significant one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.